Imagine a drawing technique that challenges your conventional approach to art. This is blind contour drawing, a method where you draw an object without once glancing at your paper. Picture this. Your eyes fixate solely on the subject, while your hand moves freely, translating your visual perception directly onto the page. It's an exercise in trust, trusting your hand to capture what your eyes see without the usual visual feedback. This unique method is not just about drawing, it's about redefining how you perceive and interpret shapes and forms. It's about seeing with your hands, a concept that invites you to explore the intimate connection between observation, interpretation, and creation. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover a new way of understanding art and perception, guided solely by your senses and intuition. Embark on the journey of creating your first blind contour drawing. Begin by selecting a subject. It could be anything from a simple household object to a complex natural form. Set it in front of you and prepare your drawing tools. Now here's the crucial part. Once your pen touches the paper, don't look at your drawing. Instead, keep your eyes locked on the subject. First, start with simple shapes. Choose an object with distinct, easy to identify shapes. This will help you ease into the process. Second, slow and steady. Move your hands slowly, allowing your eyes to trace every curve and line of the object. There's no rush. The slower you go, the more you'll capture. Third, continuous line. Try to keep your pen on the paper without lifting it. This continuous line technique helps maintain the flow and connection between observation and drawing. Fourth, embrace imperfection. Your first attempts might look nothing like your subject, and that's okay. Blind contour drawings are not about creating a perfect replica, but about the process of seeing and interpreting. And fifth, practice regularly. Like any skill, regular practice will improve your ability. Dedicate time to practice, experimenting with different subjects and scales. As you progress, you may encounter challenges like the urge to peek at your drawing or frustration with the quote-unquote imperfect outcomes. Remember, these challenges are part of the learning process. Overcoming the urge to look at your paper teaches patience and trust in your senses. These perceived imperfections in your drawings are actually valuable insights into how you see and interpret the world around you. Through practice, patience, and willingness to embrace imperfection, you'll develop a deeper understanding and appreciation for the art of blind contour drawing. This technique isn't just about creating art, it's about redefining your relationship with observation and expression. As you engage in blind contour drawing, you'll notice a transformation in your artistic skills and perceptions. This unique approach offers several key benefits that extend beyond the drawing itself. First, enhanced observation skills. By focusing intently on your subject, you train your eyes to notice the minutest details. Over time, you'll see improvements in how you observe the world around you, picking up on subtle nuances that previously went unnoticed. Second, improved hand-eye coordination. This technique strengthens the connection between what your eyes see and how your hand responds. It's a dance between sight and touch where your hand becomes an extension of your eyes. The more you practice, the more seamless this coordination becomes. Mindfulness and presence. Blind contour drawing requires a present, focused mind. It's an exercise in mindfulness, keeping you rooted in the moment. As you draw, you'll find that external distractions fade away, leaving you in a state of calm concentration. Fourth, boost in creativity. This method encourages you to think outside the box. It breaks down preconceived notions of right and wrong in art, allowing a free flow of creative expression. Each drawing becomes a journey of discovery, opening new avenues for artistic exploration. Fifth, acceptance of imperfection. In a world obsessed with perfection, blind contour drawing teaches the beauty of imperfection. It's a reminder that art, like life, is full of unexpected twists and turns, and there's beauty in embracing them. Through the practice of blind contour drawings, you gain more than artistic skill. You gain a new perspective on how to see and interact with the world. In your sketchbook, the world of blind contour drawing opens up a playground of creative possibilities. Experimenting with different approaches and mediums can add depth and excitement to your practice. The first of these approaches is continuous line drawings. Start with a single point and let your pen flow without lifting from the paper. This creates a fluid, uninterrupted line that captures the essence of your subject in a unique way. It's a test of control and lets you explore the connectivity of shapes and forms. Second, timed sessions. Set a timer for your drawing sessions. Begin with short intervals, like 2 minutes per drawing, and gradually increase the time. This approach adds a sense of urgency and spontaneity to your work, often leading to unexpected and intriguing results. Third, think about incorporating color. After completing a blind contour drawing in pen or ink or pencil, revisit it with color. Use watercolors, colored pencils, or markers to add a new dimension to your work. The initial lines provide a fascinating framework for color exploration. Fourth, mixing mediums. Combine blind contour drawings with other artistic techniques. For example, lay down a wash of watercolor first, then do a blind contour drawing on top of it, or use collage elements to create a mixed media piece. Fifth, creating series and themes. Focus on a specific theme like portraits or botanicals and create a series of blind contour drawings. This not only hones your skills in a particular area, but also results in a cohesive collection that tells a story. Sixth, personal projects. Translate your blind contour drawings into larger projects. Consider a sketchbook exclusively dedicated to this technique, or turn your drawings into a series of prints or an exhibition. Your sketchbook becomes a space of endless exploration with these variations and applications. Each page offers a new opportunity to challenge your skills, push creative boundaries, and explore new facets of blind contour drawing. As you dive into blind contour drawings, you'll gain deep insights into the world of forms and shapes. This method teaches you to see shapes not just as visual elements, but as a series of interconnected lines and curves. Your understanding of spatial relationships, proportions, and the flow of forms evolves with each drawing. Importantly, this journey is filled with mistakes and imperfections, and that's where the true learning happens. Each error in your drawing is a window into your perception, a clue about how you interpret the world around you. These imperfections are not setbacks. They're stepping stones towards a deeper understanding of your artistic vision and abilities. So embrace these imperfections as part of your artistic growth. They remind you that art, like life, is a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving. Each line, whether straight or wavy, perfect or flawed, is a part of your unique artistic journey. Through these explorations, your skill in capturing the essence of forms and shapes will mature, leading to a richer, more nuanced artistic expression. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.